Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was blasting the National Democratic Congress.
NDC for Omuchan Trobebre.
NDC Penifui, I mean, John Dramani Mahama, the current president of the Republic of Ghana. After so at Forson and so Eddie in Simbi Abba and I'm so much Ghana for any drivers need be or more and no Junction Kumasi, and so I responded to all these things that are trending on the social media space.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector.
And some men on social media space at Forson and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Jaconia never has in ensemble. Hi, Karma Studios. Anything that drops on the social media space, I'll bring it to you right on Karma Studios. If today is your first time, click on the bell and join this amazing channel. And don't forget to follow us on all the social media handles too. Now let me take you through the reason why Forson is trending. Now this is what Forson presented in Parliament.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the export price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana cedi. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation.
At Forson since year no yet the 1 cedi tax abeto a fuel about 20 so got to fuel 1 liter 1 cedis. This is so can when you fuel and to my explanation, I think that is how it means. And then Ghana for be na abusia omo eti asemi omo say there be asemi dey anadwo man asemi ni. Eche e-levy mu na you say eche e-levy mu etiti patu so na dollar so ba for me dey you say nka bibia edadin na edien enso ni 1% abusia and I say 1 cedi tax eda eye fuel 1 liter so yi ai atofo nchire mu abusia wo say dum so ne nyoma ye namu ye nkanea abusia oboda so ye ne dum no te say ade bibia na mu say dudum light no ai ensem e wo ho ne say kanea ye hia sika e de ahye eye energy sector ho enti saade ya okoto fuel 1 liter bia na yento 1 cedi.
Government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis.
Because fuel no 16 cedis, enti atoso dey about 12 cedis, any 13 cedis dey any adenti any 1 cedi per liter wusu. Because na per liter na 16 cedis dey the 1 cedi be 12 cedis no e be 13 cedis oto ana akoba bi. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abusia oni Forson ekoye anokro na muko benkru na muko abusia muko ye omko hye na omone om party ni mpanifo mu so say atadi ye beboa na omone ko parliament eko present to parliament and then the minority.
The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis.
We and the minority abusia mo say kelentua sika we dey ntua an kelentua.
This is very insensitive, and we on the minority side yentua, Mr. Speaker, for this one kelentua.
If it's a sad way there you who be that and a new to us, and when you're bringing some certain things you need to bring it to us so that we discuss. But what me for me can't say I'm a presenting of parliament can just say Kenyans should expect this from AU. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eti asemi no si dabi nkofoi yamamoyi na yesen to say the woman
Every day obie hu ejinetra obotwa enra anajo sembo nyina mo omodi dum so levy aba
eno nti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enso de nsem to dwa ne nsem a wokan ye na busu eno so nie
NDC for omutwa trobebre. Every day obie hu ejinetra obotwa enra anajo sembo nyina mo omodi dum so levy aba dum so levy self first no mo si e levy na ye de aba Omobeyi e-levy no omobeyi. And then omo the dumso levy aba. It is 8 times the e-levy. Omo ansusu anye. And then uto 1 liter of petrol 1 cedi na obetua. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol obetua 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. E-levy no send obi 1,000 momo obetua 10 cedis. Omo and then obetua 4,000 obetua 83 cedis for fuel. We nimunyina more beba. By the time you be do 2028 no Ghana nyina be hu se omutwa antro bebre mimi gidi se omubeka nkyere yen se yensan ba biom embafa aban no ensiesie Ghana.
I we from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono ankasa nanu mutu ene wato no tom se da bi ade we die Ghana fo bebre na musu sisi da bi ye di e-levy ba ye na ka stand 1,000 cedis charges also 10 cedis but so koto fuel 1,000 Ghana cedis you are going to pay 83 cedis. That is the 1 cedi charges that per liter no so no na I Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mo da bi this one day ye de any yes any bebre and we from the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, the former one and the current one abusia enti we Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no mun sema wode to bia concerning 1 cedi taxation ye dey beto fuel so na ye dey ahye ye nyina mu kanea emu kena se de be ya light ni betima gina so ma Ghana for any Ghana ni bia na was waiting me enjoy light no. Now Ghanaians are more in the diaspora and the NPP supporters ni bisu chiremu ada bi asem we dey yedika hu kan say His Excellency John Dramani any na ban badie. We shouldn't expect anything new, but for them to also come and rob Peter to pay Paul, they are coming to cancel the implementation. The good implementation. They are going to find another way and also tax Ghanaians. That Ghanaians are not going to feel it. And I started with and now to my concern, I feel like say if these things are going to help the nation make the light stable, we are okay. But it shouldn't be the case that say the entity e-levy, yes, okay, betting tax, we are going to tax these people. Say the baby been creating jobs and at the end of the day, Ghanaians were jobless on the streets. And now but if you're going to enjoy stable light, then we need to pay because you're there. Enti mu obejina banjaka se killer ntua no ye chewa killer betua an you the one Rebecca say wonye Ghana ni bi but now ye Ghana ni now concern youth of the East Abusian I think we have to pay like 10 cedis because said there ye light needs to go off and I feel like say if those in these urban areas you know what I say if they are paying 1 cedi per liter and they also 10 cedis per liter because I feel like when a light na stable the 1 cedi need to resolve the issue no mum but we need to pay because I feel like say when a lighting system no as so much that the light went off on Sunday, it came on Monday evening and then Tuesday morning it went off. God damn. Hey, now let me see your opinion under the comment section. I wajin chire this 1 cedi taxation on fuel wajin chire when saying is it going to help to sustain the light or keep the light stable 24/7 and I say another way of abusia robbing Peter to pay Paul say the MPP for Ekano wajin chire comment section I say the comment section is all yours. Kindly leave your comment under the comment section and subscribe to the platform so there be any update you get notified on this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar and I'm finally out.